biggest mover thing getting clobbered is Target. Target's just getting hammered down about 7% right now on the day. Of course, they had their earnings. I know they are going to be in total denial that this has anything to do with the fact that they made a conscious decision to alienate 1.4 million shoppers. At least that is the count of the people that signed the petition that AFA put out. Now, I'm sure they've alienated far more people than 1.4 million. That's just the amount of people that signed the petition. By the way, you can still sign that petition. You can go to afa.net and sign that petition. But I'm sure they're going to deny that. But nonetheless, when you see a $1.3 billion downward spiral into their same-store sales, that's not a good thing. Not a good thing at all. As a matter of fact, they lowered their guidance for all of 2016 now, and their stock is taking a very hard hit. Doesn't matter because back in May, I put out an alert, warnings on my website every day for a week. If you own Target stock, sell it. We don't need to be supporting that organization. And if you own mutual funds, you need to call the mutual fund company and ask them if that particular mutual fund owns Target, and if they do, to sell that. I happen to know from the thousands of emails that thousands of people responded to that in a positive way and sold their Target stock. That's certainly what you can see on the chart, that had an impact on Target stock as well. So